Hello dear children, I am Chaya ma'am from Kendriya Vidyalaya Railway Gandhidham. Today we are going to learn to write a letter. Dear children, if we want to communicate with anyone, we just pick up our phone and call them, or we can type a message and send it. But it was the time when we sent the letters and wait for them to reach at their destination and wait for the reply. Communicate was a very lengthy process at that time. Letter writing is an art, and I can say it is a beautiful way of expressing ourselves. We must learn to write a letter. Today we are going to learn informal letter. Here you might have one confusion that if you are going to learn informal letter writing, then is there any formal letter writing too? So my answer is yes. There are two types of letter writing. One is formal letter writing and another is informal letter writing. A formal letter is a letter which is written in a formal language and in a specified format for official purpose. Example, letter to the principal of your school. Informal letter writing. A letter which is written in a friendly manner to someone you are familiar with is called informal letter. Example, letter to a friend. If I tell you the basic difference between these two types of letter writings are: number 1, in informal letter writing, you cannot write my dear sir or my dear teacher. Instead of that, you have to write respected sir or respected ma'am. While writing the informal letter, you start with my dear friend or my dear sister or my dear uncle. The another basic difference is you have to use formal language. Means special kind of language is written in formal letters which you would learn in higher classes. If I try to explain you, you can write to your friend that hi, how are you? Or I hope you are fine. But you cannot write this type of language in formal letter. Anything, whatever you like, you can write in informal letter but not in formal letter. Things to include while writing informal letter. Here there are here there are 6 things are given which have to be included in the informal letter writing. The first one is writer's or sender's address, then date, greetings, then introduction, body or matter, ending or closing. Let's try to understand. This letter is given in your textbook. Let's try to read and understand this letter. First one is Krishna Boys Hostel, Model Public School, Kolkata. This is the writer's address. Next is date. The date is 10th July 2000. That means on this date the letter is written. Now greetings. Greetings to whom the letter is written. Here the writer has written the letter to his or her ma. So he has written my dear ma. Now, this is my first letter after the summer vacations. We started our classes the day after we reached the hostel. I have settled in well. This is the introductory line of this letter. That means this is the starting line of the letter. Now, let's see the another one. We have a new teacher for clay modeling and pottery. She tells us how to make fruits and vegetables with clay. We then paint them. They look so real. This is the body. Body means the purpose for which you have written the letter. Now adding lines are, we have an inter-house poetry recitation coming up in August. I am really excited about it. It is a long poem, but we learn it together with our teacher. These are the adding lines of this body. Then the ending lines are: it is nice to be back in school with my friends and teachers. I remember you and Baba a lot. Give my love to grandmother and grandfather. Now this is the closing line. Do write back soon. Your loving son, Pratap. Let's understand this letter and try to find out some answers of the questions. The first question is, who has written the letter? So by reading this letter, we can understand that the name of the writer is Pratap. So Pratap has written this letter. Next question is, to whom has the letter been written? So we already know that the letter is written to his ma or mother, we can say. Third is, where is the writer of the letter? Or we can say that where is the writer of the letter residing? So the writer of the letter is residing here. This is the writer's address. Krishna Boys Hostel, Model Public School, Kolkata. Kolkata is the name of the city. Next question is, what is the name of writer's hostel? So what is the name of the writer's hostel? The name of the writer's hostel is written here. Krishna Boys Hostel. This. On which date was the letter written? So we can find out the date when the letter was written, and that is 10th July 2000. On this date the letter is written. If you can't find answers of these questions from any letter, we can say that the letter is not proper. That means to find out these answers of the questions are very important from any letter. Let's learn to write a letter. How will we start to write a letter, or how will we write a letter? Let's practice this. For the practicing purpose, one topic is given here. The topic is, write a letter to your friend or relative in any other city, telling him or her about activities in your school. This is the topic of the letter. You have to write about your activities of school. So we will start the letter with first thing, that is writer's address or sender's address. So this is our address. Let's suppose that this is our address. The address is 32A Om Apartment, Anand Vihar, Sector 7, Ahmedabad, and this is the pin code. You already know that the pin code is very important in class 3. You have learnt about it. The next thing we have to write after writer's address is date. So date is 23rd September 2019. Suppose this is the year 2019 is going on and we have written this letter today. So the date is 23rd September 2019. Now greetings. Greetings to whom you are writing a letter. So here the writer is writing a letter to his or her friend, and that is dear friend Hina. This is the greeting. So you have to remember that after writing the address, you have to leave a line. One line you have to skip. Then you have to write the date in this format only. Then again leave a line and then write the greetings, dear friend, dear ma, dear papa, dear uncle, whomever you are writing a letter, you have to write the greetings. Then the introductory line, the introduction we can say. So starting lines are, after summer vacation, this is my first letter to you. I hope you all are well. You can write some other lines also, like hi my dear friend, I am fine here and I hope that you all are fine well there. This type of lines you can also write. Then the body or matter means the most for which purpose you have written this letter, these lines or these sentences can be included in this body. So here let's learn. I want to tell you that my school is going to celebrate the annual day in the next month. I am participating in the group dance. I am very happy and excited for this annual day. This is body or matter. Here there are another lines also included in body. I love my school and my school friends. I also miss you. Give my love to uncle and aunt. Now the ending lines. The ending lines are I will wait for your letter too. Do write back soon. And the closing lines are your best friend Smita. You can write your name here. So if we see our entire letter, it will look like this. हमने जो लेटर लिखा है वो ऐसे दिखेगा. It will look like this. First is writer's or sender's address, then date, greetings, introduction, body, then ending and closing. Then what will you do? You will keep the letter inside this envelope, close it, write the address of the receiver at the front side of this envelope and post it. This is one way. The another way to write a letter is postcard. You can write your letter on the postcard too. Here, this is the address of the receiver. The writer of the letter is Jonah and he has written the letter to his friend Sam. See here, the name of the receiver is Samuel, but here Jonah is a friend of Samuel, so he has written Sam. I told you before that in informal letter you can write any type of language whatever you like or your friend like. Now email. Let's learn to write a letter. Here let's learn to write a letter through email. Email in this 21st century, email is very common. Now email is just a type of letter, but for email, for writing or for send email, you need the email address. As you need the receiver's address, means your friend's address or your relative's address is must. Without that you cannot send any type of letter. Same this way you need an email address to send any kind of email. So here the email address of Hina is written here. Here the subject, why you have written the letter to anybody. So the subject is school annual day and we will start the letter from here. Dear friend Hina. Now we need not write any kind of date or any kind of address. We'll start here. Dear friend Hina, after summer vacation, this is my first letter to you, and so on. Then this is the ending lines and this is closing, your best friend Smita. So we can say that in this email you can include many things. This is the era of technology and we have many benefits we can say for it. Like you want to include some photos of your school annual day. If you have written the photos of the if you have written the letter telling him or her about your school annual day, you can add or you can send some photos to your friend. Then you can add some emojis to smileys. You can draw or you can make your sign here by using this icon. These are very useful tools to make our letter very interesting, or we can say to express our emotions. And then you have to click this button send and instantly the email will be received by your friend or to whomever you have written the letter. Here I have one homework for you and you have to do it compulsory. The homework is Write a letter to your friend telling him about your online classes and school activities during this corona pandemic. This is your homework. This letter is given for your practice. You have to do it. Watch the video 2 to 3 times to understand how to do the letter writing and what is the use of it. Here we end our video. I hope you have learned. I hope you have enjoyed the video. My dear students, stay home, stay healthy. Bye.